Hey there, fellow dog parent. Picture this. It's a beautiful day. You're out for a walk with your pup in the backyard or at the park here in the USA, and suddenly, yipe! Your dog yelps, starts limping hard, and you spot blood on his paw, a torn nail or injured nail bed. Your heart sinks, right? I've been there, and I know exactly how scary and heartbreaking it feels when your best friend is hurting. But here's the good news, and my promised tip up front. Most minor nail bed injuries can heal safely and quickly right at home with simple steps, and I'm sharing one overlooked kitchen staple trick today that can stop the bleeding in seconds and cut your dog's recovery time by days. Stick around to the very end. I'll reveal exactly what it is and how to use it step by step. First, let's understand what's happening so you don't freak out. A dog's nail bed, or quick, is that pink, sensitive tissue full of blood vessels and nerves inside the nail. When it gets injured, maybe from a snag on carpet, rough play at the dog park, or even overgrown nails catching on something, it bleeds like crazy because it's basically a tiny open wound attached to the bone. You'll see limping, paw lifting, licking like crazy, or even a dangling nail sliver. It looks dramatic, but for minor cases, your calm response at home makes all the difference. The goal? Stop the bleed, keep it clean, reduce pain naturally, and let the body heal without infection sneaking in. Okay, step 1. Stay calm and restrain gently. Your energy matters. Talk to your dog in that soothing voice you use for thunderstorms. It's okay, buddy. We've got this. Have a second person hold him if you can, or use a towel wrap around his body like a burrito so he doesn't wiggle and make it worse. No yelling or rushing. This keeps his stress and your own low. Next, control that bleeding right away. Wrap the whole paw loosely in a clean towel or gauze and apply steady, gentle pressure for 5 to 10 minutes. Don't squeeze the toe like a stress ball. That hurts more. If it's still oozing after that, reach for your secret weapon from the kitchen. Plain cornstarch, flour, or even baking powder. Yep, the same stuff you bake with. Pour a little pile on a paper plate, press the nail tip right into it, and hold for another 30 to 60 seconds. It forms a natural clot barrier super fast. No fancy styptic powder needed. Some folks even press the nail into a bar of plain, unscented soap for the same effect. I've seen this work in minutes on my own dogs. Keep your pup still with his favorite treats or a lick mat during this. Positive vibes only. Once the bleeding slows or stops, it's time to clean the area gently. No harsh stuff. Run warm, not hot water over the paw or use a homemade saline rinse. 1 teaspoon of table salt in a cup of boiled then cooled water. Pat dry with a clean towel. Skip hydrogen peroxide or rubbing alcohol. Those can damage the delicate tissue and slow healing. Just mild cleaning keeps infection risk low. Now for protection. If there's a loose dangling nail sliver that's clearly about to snag, you can carefully trim just the dead part with clean dog nail clippers, but only if it's super loose and your dog lets you. Otherwise, leave it for the pros. Wrap the paw lightly. Place a non-stick gauze pad or clean cloth over the nail bed, then a loose layer of vet wrap or even an old sock or dog booty. Not too tight. You should fit 2 fingers underneath easily or circulation gets cut off. Change this bandage once or twice a day and keep the paw dry. Pro tip from experience, a soft e-collar or cone or bitter apple spray on the bandage stops licking, which is the #1 way dogs turn minor issues into big problems. Here's where the real home healing magic happens. Daily care with 0 meds. Limit activity for the first 48 to 72 hours. Short potty breaks on leash only. No running or jumping. Give him a cozy crate or soft bed with extra blankets so he rests that paw. This crate rest is pure non-medicine gold. It lets the nail bed rebuild without constant pressure. For soothing and speeding recovery, my go-to is warm Epsom salt paw soaks. They're safe, cheap, and vets recommend them for drawing out fluid, easing pain, and cleaning deep into the nail bed. Here's how. Fill a bowl with warm, comfortable to your wrist water and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of plain, unscented Epsom salt per cup of water. Soak just the injured paw for 5 to 10 minutes twice a day, morning and night. Gently massage the area if he'll let you. Pat dry thoroughly afterward, rebandage if needed, and watch him relax. It reduces swelling naturally and prevents infection without any pills. I've had dogs go from limping to walking normal in 3 to 5 days with this routine. Keep the soak water clean each time and never let him drink it. If this helped, drop a comment below with your dog's name and what worked for you. I read every one. Hit like if you're a dog parent who's been through this, subscribe for more Real Talk USA dog care videos, and share with that friend whose pup is always getting into trouble. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Give your good boy or girl an extra belly rub from me. And remember, you're doing an awesome job. Until next time, keep those tails wagging.